Fire has three basic elements. You got fuel, oxygen, and heat, and if you can remove one or more of those elements, the fire will go out. We have three common types of fires. There's A, B, and C. A is ordinary combustibles. What you would find in your home or in your office, paper, wood, furniture, that type of thing is A class. B class is flammable liquids, such as gasoline, diesel, oil. And then C class is energized electrical. So whether it's plugged in the electrical system or wired in the house system, that's electrical fire. And you can see this one here will actually fight all three of those common fires. This is an ABC extinguisher. This is what we call a 5-pound ABC extinguisher. This has a dry chemical in it. This one here is a B and a C. It's good for fighting B class and C class fires. This has a gas in it, it's carbon dioxide. And then this one here is a class fire extinguisher. It has pressurized water in it, and that's what it's good for. So there's a few things you got to know when you attempt to fight a fire. One is it safe to do so? If I was in the building and it was a large fire or there's lots of smoke and heat, it's too dangerous to remain in there. I'm better off getting out of the thing. One of the things we do want you to do is let other people know that they're in the building, let them know there's a problem within the building, to get out of the building, whether that's by activating the fire alarm or yelling at maybe your coworkers or people that you live with in the home. Now, if the fire is small enough and you feel confident enough to fight that fire, what we want you to do is grab your extinguisher and we want you to go through PASS. P-A-S-S is the acronym. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pull that pin. So you see the pin's in there and it's kept in by these little plastic or metal bands. That's our tamper seal. And we want to make sure that's in place so that this isn't live. So we're going to put that down. Now I'm going to approach the fire. And people ask how close you got to be to that fire. Well, there's no magic answer. You know, it's not 2.1 meters or 6 foot, anything like that. But I can tell you, if you're working on that fire and your eyebrows start to get crispy and disappear, you might be too close. So back up. But here, I'm going to be right about this distance from this fire and I'm going to work my way in. So if we had the fire started, I'm going to pull that pin. My A is going to be aim. I'm going to aim at the base of the fire, right where that flame is leaving that material that's burning. That's where I'm going to aim. The first S is I squeeze the trigger, and the second S is I sweep back and forth. So that's the pass. Pull the pin, aim, squeeze, and sweep. So I discovered the fire, and I feel I'm safe enough to be in here to fight that fire. I'm gonna grab my extinguisher, and I'm gonna go through my pass. So pull the pin, I'm gonna aim my nozzle, I'm gonna squeeze the handle, and I'm gonna sweep back and forth slowly. The fire should go out quite quickly, but I don't wanna leave that area because that fire could reignite. So I'm going to back away slowly. I don't want to turn my back on that fire, and I'm going to make sure that it doesn't reignite. If you're interested in learning how to use the fire extinguisher safely, please contact the Kelowna Fire Department for scheduling.